If you've already figured out when you can register for classes and how many credits to take, you're in the right place. If not, check out our past videos first. Next, we'll look at how to use the registration cart in MyMap and how to add classes manually once registration opens. Let's jump in. The registration cart is an awesome tool in MyMap to help you plan your class schedule ahead of time. You can add classes to the virtual cart before your priority registration date. Before midnight of your priority registration date, BYU processes all the carts randomly to help you secure your desired classes. The registration cart opens once the semester or term class schedule is posted and is available before priority registration. Here's how to find it and start planning. Log into MyMap and select the right term or semester from the drop-down menu. If the cart is available to you, you'll automatically see the registration cart view. No extra clicks needed. Click Add Course and search for the class you want. Click Select to choose a section, then Add to drop it in your cart. Remember, if you're a new student, you'll be required to add University 101 before you can add any other classes. Not sure what to add? A typical first semester schedule includes University 101, Writing 150, which is the first year writing class, General Education or major related classes, and one religion class. You can add up to 30 credit hours to your cart. Plenty of room to try out different options, but only the maximum credit hours will be added once the cart processes. Make sure to drag and drop your classes into your preferred order. While you can update your cart as many times as you want, be sure to make any final changes by 6 p.m. Mountain Time, the night before your priority registration date. The system will process the cart later that evening, and you'll get an email with the results. Pro tip, if a class is full when the cart processes and tries to add you, you'll automatically be added to the waitlist. If your cart didn't get you into every class or you just prefer to register manually, you can do that starting at midnight on your priority registration date. In MyMap, go to Add Course and search for the class you want. Click Select to choose the section, then click Add. Don't forget, University 101 is required for all first-year students, including returned missionaries. So if it's not on your schedule, you'll need to add it first. If a class requires a permission to add code, you'll see a place to enter the code after clicking Select. Found a class that's full? You can add yourself to the waitlist the same way you add a class to your cart or your schedule. Once added, you'll be given the terms and conditions. If you have questions specific to your major, contact your advisement center, advisement.byu.edu/advisement-centers. If you're still deciding on a major, the University Advisement Center can help you explore major options. ua.byu.edu. Do you need help or have questions while you're registering? We've got your back. Reach out to us by visiting contactenrollment.byu.edu.